Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of DeepSeek and we click here in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about DeepSeek. Then here you will update your app if you find the update. So that's all, don't forget